Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will solve the area of rectangle using C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way guys, I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robelino, my avid subscribers in my channel. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name and then shout out. Okay, so thank you so much. So we are here in my in the Visual Studio environment. We have here a series of comments, no? So if you have some question, you can email me at csharp@gmail.com. If you have problems in computer programming or tutorial that you would like to acquire more services, just email me at jkrpomperada@gmail.com. And then you can visit also my two websites, www.jkrpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is jkrpomperada.com, which I offer free source code for free, So we have here the title, area of rectangle in C#, and then in this line of code we are asking the user to give the length of value. In this case, I declare a variable length underscore value that has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to a data type that can accept only whole number, negative, including 0 And then in this line of code is we are accepting the width of value of the rectangle, Okay, so next we have here double solve underscore area. To solve the area of the rectangle, we have here solve underscore area equals open and close parentheses length underscore value. Just multiply by using the asterisk symbol with underscore value, and then in this line of code we will display the result, So the result plus solve underscore area and then end of program and read key to return to the operating system. In this case we are using Windows. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let us run our code. Area of rectangle in C#, give the length value, let's say 5, give the area width value, we have 4, so the result is 20, end of program. Press any key, it will terminate. Another example, area of rectangle in C#, give length value, we have 8, width we have 3, so the result is 24, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to solve area of rectangle using C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Share in social media, share to your friends, and don't forget, if you are new with my channel, to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much in advance for your support. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.